welcome to Runpaq Technology Company, Limited. Located in the beautiful Qingshan Lake Science Technology City in Hangzhou, China. Our roots trace back to the Mechanical Design Research Institute of the Ministry of Electric Power, founded in 1956. Since the 1994, Runpaq has been committed to the development of ice thermal storage systems, and we are now recognized as a leading enterprise in China's ice-based energy storage industry, with an annual production capacity exceeding 500 zero refrigeration ton-hours. Ice thermal storage systems are energy storage devices that leverage off-peak electricity pricing policies to shift power loads and enhance energy efficiency. At Runpaq, we continuously innovate to offer efficient, safe, and stable thermal storage solutions for energy management in commercial, industrial, and public infrastructure applications.